Gold and silver traded with moderate bullishness. We have seen a struggle at 47.30-32 zone. The zone which we have discussed should be a good buying entry for us. Price is reversed from the same levels here and now is getting a very good support at 4700. That is also one of the key observations here. Likewise with silver, we have seen it move towards 7660 but has retraced it then. So what to expect now from gold and silver with the US session? Are we looking forward to rise from here or there is a possibility for a drop again? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver today? We're going to see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is going to be the second update for the day and this is the only channel to deliver twice a day updates such that you can profit trading across Asia, Europe and US sessions. Subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold followed with silver. Watch till the end. What's happening with gold? See, you can notice it has formed a very good support at 4680, 4660. It is very important for it to trade below 4680, 4660 zone in order to confirm any kind of bearishness. What has happened since then? Rise, retracement, rise. See, it is trying to reverse from the same zone 4730, 32. And then the next resistance, we also know that 47, 40, 50 and 60, there are key levels which gold needs to break in order to confirm any kind of bullishness here. What has happened since then? Hitting the same highs, it is trying to erase some of the gains. Right now, if you look at the move here, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, and if at all you see it is staying now below 47 or 4690 levels, you can take a sell. However, just exercise caution till 4680, 70 and 60 levels. Once it trades below 4660, then only we can say that this is turning bearish, else there is a possibility for gold to reverse from the current levels. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising from the oversold zone. The MACD is again crossed over for a sell. Slight bearish indications here, but nevertheless, it has still got lot much of room on the upside. Couple of greener candles and it will reverse. RSI running flat. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour chart, similar observations in diminishing bearishness. Ideally, this could have been a reversal candle if the price now trades beyond 47.15 itself. You can buy, but then be cautious till 47.30, 47.40 levels, and then 47.60 should be the next resistance. Let's watch out if at all it moves towards this zone. Right now, what it is trying to do, drop, retracement, and again trying to drop. I'll definitely watch out for the current candle. Any move beyond 27 or 47.20, 47.30 should be a very good indication for further bullishness. While stochastic is looking downwards, the MACD is still in green and trading bullish, looking upwards. RSI running almost flat. Coming to 3 hour chart, on the 3 hour charts here also see diminishing bearishness, but only thing is the buying entry has to be above the highs of the preceding candle, which means in fact even if you see it is staying beyond 47.15, you can buy. However, exercise caution again 47.30, 47.40 zone. This is going to be the prime resistance zone for gold for any upside move. Stochastic at the top, the MACD crossing over at the bottom, trading with moderate bullishness here. RSI running flat. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour charts, if you look at the move, see this was the reversal sign, one bullish candle, retracement, second bullish candle, and if you can look at this, is complete movement is engulfed between this candle, and hence it is very crucial for gold to break out either of these levels here. Either it trades below 4660 or trades above 4740. As long as it stays in the zone, we have to exercise a caution here. Stochastic flat, the MACD has crossed over at the bottom. This is right now trading bullish, looking upwards. RSI is running flat here. Coming to the daily. Now, before we look into daily chart, see how easily under 5 minutes we analyze the complete chart and arrive at the levels. You can also learn this art of trading. You can join my 39th mentorship batch starting 20th of May. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for queries. The link is there in the channel and video description. Yes, this time the batch could be completely free for you because we will ensure that you will recover your tuition fee with the help of our signals after completion of the classes. Yes, you will be added to our paid signals channel for free, and then we'll ensure that you recover your tuition fee with that. Also, those who are just willing to trade as per the signals right from today and profit from today itself can join the signals channel today itself. Connect with me for any of your queries. Also, very important for you to have a trusted partner or recommended broker which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, no price manipulation, no stop loss hunting, and yes, live deposits and withdrawals, quick deposits and withdrawals. So join the recommended broker and enjoy your trading journey. See what has happened on the daily charts. The preceding few candles bearish, and then today it has started to trade higher. But when you look at the highs here, you can connect the highs and the lows. This is still under consolidation and not confirming a breakout. For this to confirm a breakout, 47.40, 47.60 is the zone which it has to trade beyond. Even if you see now gold trading beyond 47.15, 16, you can buy here. and expect exercise caution till 47.30 and 47.40, beyond which it might deliver a stronger bullish move. Till then time it is not yet to be confirmed bullish. Why so? See, I can still see that after this drop it has retraced, and this was trading in this retracement channel. It has come out of this. So let's see the behavior today, tomorrow, and this week will decide what it wants to do. Because of fall from here, a trade below 4600 will confirm the greater fall on the downside. Stochastic at bottom, the MACD almost flat, the RSI almost flat. So considering this, what you should do today, where you should buy, I will only recommend you to buy at 47.16 levels. Expect 47.22, 24, 47.30, 32, and then 47.40. Once it trades beyond 47.40, still you need to exercise caution at around 47.50, 52 and 47.60, 64. Once this zone is taken, that is 47.60, 64, then you can just stay bullish from there for 47.80, 4805, 4840. The next, this is the zone at 4840, 4850. Gold needs to break in order to confirm the rally ahead, else this is still not confirming bullishness here. On the downside, what I'll recommend is a possible sell at 46.96 levels here. Expect it to move towards 46.84, 86, 46.70, and then 46.60 levels. Once it trades below 46.60, then we can expect slight bearishness for 46.44. And if this is taken, then we are ready for a greater fall towards 46.08, 45. 82 and then 45.50, below which 4500 should arrive. Let's see, the direction it takes today is going to remain crucial for the next few sessions. Trade accordingly. Let's move to silver. Now silver on the early chart, see, oh, it has also formed a double top here, rise, retracement, rise, and then it is reversed. This is almost identically symmetrical move. It can in fact drop and deliver this move here, while I'll wait for the breakout. If you see it is staying beyond 76.20, buy for 76.60, 77, 77.20 as the next. Any move beyond 77, 77.20 will confirm the next round of breakout rally. As long as 77, 77.20 is not taken, you have to be cautious here. And in fact, even if that is taken, 78 and 78.40 is the next. Till 78.40, it's not yet a reversal. Stochastic rising after a double bottom, while the MACD is flat, the RSI is also flat here. Look at 2 hour chart. Similar observation here on the 2 hour charts. Rise, retracement, trying to decide a direction. A move beyond 76, 76.20 should confirm further up move here, and then a move beyond 76 and 77 will confirm a reversal. Right now the moving averages are trading bearish, and you can see the price is getting a good resistance from the 20 and 50 period zone here. Stochastic bearish, while the MACD has crossed over at the bottom and trading with moderate bullishness. RSI running flat. Coming to 3 hour chart. On the 3 hour charts here, it appears that it might take this trend here what it has adopted, but I'll say once it trades beyond 76.20, you can expect bullishness, but then wait for 76.50, 60 zone to be taken in order to confirm a reversal. Else what is happening? Rise, retracement, and now again trying to drop here. Any move below 75, 74, 50 should confirm the next round of drop here. Let's wait for it to trade either below the 74 or trade above 76.50, 76.60 zone. Stochastic trying to trade bearish here, while the MACD crossing over at the bottom, trading with moderate bullishness, and the RSI is running flat. Coming to 4 hour, similar observation here on the 4 hour chart. See, drop, retracement, drop, and see if you connect the lows and the highs, this appears that it is adopting a slightly bullish channel. Just let it stay beyond 76.60 and 77, 77.20 zone, beyond which slide for the bullishness, and then if at all it is seen trading beyond 78.40, it's a reversal. While on the downside, I will still wait for 74.5 levels to be taken, then 74.50, and then 74 levels to be taken in order to confirm any kind of bearishness today. Stochastic moderately bearish, while the MACD crossing over at the bottom. This is still a good sign that it might try to move upwards and retrace a bit. RSI running flat. Coming to daily charts. On the daily chart, see what has happened. If you look at the move here, lower highs are done resistance here, and see diminishing bearishness, and just waiting for it to decide the next move. A drop below 74.50 and 74 should confirm the next round of downfall here, while a move beyond 76.60 and 77.20 should confirm the next round of rally from here. Let's see which direction it takes. Right now, if you look at it, is still keeping itself intact in this retracement channel. This is a moderate bullish channel. A move beyond 78.40 this time should take it above 80, 81, or in fact 84 levels. but I can say that it is still not confirming a long-term reversal. Stochastic at bottom, the MACD almost flat, the RSI almost flat. Considering this, what you should see, I'll recommend a buy at 76.20 levels and expect it to move towards 76.60 levels here, and then 77.20. If 77.20 is taken, I think we are ready for the next round of rise towards 78 and 78.50. And if 78.50 is taken, just stay bullish from here. We might see 80, we might see 81, and breaking beyond which it is going to deliver a massive rally. Right now this is struggling here on the upside, while on the downside the selling entries are only limited if you see it is staying below 75.20, where you can expect 74.60, 74.40 as the first target zone, 74, 73, 80 as the next. If at all this is taken, then we can just stay bearish from here for 73, 72, and then 70. Below 70, a greater fall can be seen. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. And join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. See you again tomorrow before the Asia and Europe session. Do watch that as well. Thank you.